Okay, we found the elusive gopher tortoise. He's a big one too. Hi, buddy. How are you? I don't want to disturb you. We're just making sure you don't get hit. He's very big. Hi. Hi, Mr. Gopher. Mr. Gopher Tortoise. Well, I'm disturbing him. He's trying to eat. I don't think he really liked me. See? Wildlife crossing. That's a likeness. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's eating. I don't think he can see this far. I'll make sure he gets across the road good. I don't know why he's coming at me. I'll get out of his way. He keeps coming my way.
Ellie, he's crossing the heat.
I know.
Watch the car, stop.
Yeah. They'll be okay. Just let him go.
Stop.
He'll stop. Mr. Gopher Tortoise. There he goes. He's pretty cool. He's eating grass. Later, Mr. Tortoise. He don't really like people, because if you get by him, he stops. Okay. GoPro, stop recording.